Welcome to this Sitecore e-commerce demo video. My name is Casper Pagels, and I'm going to take you through a demonstration of the layout sections of the module. The layout sections is a part of the module with predefined way of setting up your front page and product categories easily with products you want to put in a central place of your module. We recognize that every web shop is different and have different needs, so therefore we made a very flexible system to add your own customized front pages and product categories. Okay, let's take a look at how this system is made inside the e-commerce module. Here we have the front page of the Ecommerce Demo Pro Shop. As you see here, the front page has 9 different elements, which is shown here. I'm going to take you through to talk about and introduce each of them and give you an idea of how it's made and how you can add and configure it yourself. I'm also going to show you how you can configure and set up your own layout rows for your customers' needs. The first row you see here is a demo flash movie. The cool thing about it is that you can add your own texts, which is language dependent. So here I'm just changing it to Danish, which then changes the text here. The second one here displays just a title and a rich text field, which makes it easy to alter your text and put in your own texts and pictures and tables and stuff like that. Then we have 3 different product profiling rows. You have a 2-column with 2 columns products. You have a 3-column and a 4-column. Then we have an image. You can have a static image displayed. You can have an image which rotates between different images. You can have a 2-column with banners. You can have a static flash, or flash is never static, but you can add a flash banner here. And of course, this last example is just to show you that you can have the same type added many times. Okay, let's go to Sitecore to see how it looks inside Sitecore. Inside Sitecore, you can add these layout sections under a front page or under a product page or even under each product category. You can have a separate profiling section, a layout section. Just to show you that, under my page in the e-commerce module, we have added a separate layout section, which has their own banners, their own 4-column with products, and their own 3-column with products. Okay, let's take a closer look at the layout section. We have 9 different types, which is pre-made out of the box, which works for you. I'm going to take you through each of them. The first one is the rotating banner. This is the one that is also known from the Ecommerce demo site. This is a generic flash which takes input, text input and image input from Sitecore. You have 3 sections here with where you can define a header, subheader, links and images, and you do that 3 times, and then this information is displayed in the banner. If you want to translate into other languages, you can do that easily through the Sitecore tool. Here you have an example where I'm just going to use the Danish. Then I can have my one language here and I can interpret into another language I want to use. The rich text type is somewhat more simpler. It has a rich text field and a title. Then comes the 3 types of column with products. The basic idea here is that you pick a product from your archive of products, from your list of products. Then you can choose to overrule that standard image from the product. You can overrule the standard. If you do not fill in these 3 fields, then this information here, this picture, this text, and this title will be retrieved from the product. But if you overrule it by adding an image here, then this image will be used, or this title or this description will be used. This way you can, for example, overrule a very long product title and give it some more, a better name. But this name will only be used in this fronting of the product. Here you have 1-column, 2-column. On the 3-column you have also a 3rd one, and of course on the 4th column you have a 4th one as well. So these are very handy and powerful, and can of course be used as many times you want. As you see here, we have a 3-column which is made out of the same product template. Just to demonstrate that how it works, if I wanted to add a new 2-column row, I could just do it, give it some name. This name doesn't really matter, so I'm just gonna give it a logical name, and then I'm I'm ready to just specify my product. So in this case, now I added a new column with a new product. Just gonna define another product here as well. And after I updated it, whoopsie, I see my new 2-column layout section. Okay, I can also define which order I want this in. If I do this, I can just do it inside Sitecore, and whoopsie, the order is updated. This is a powerful system to build your own front pages. Okay, let's continue here. We have a simple banner view, which is just a link. You can add an internal link or external link with an image as well. The rotating banner works that you add a picture and a link, just like the other one, but now you have the option to make it rotate between them. So this indicates the frequency of how often the pictures are swapped out. You also have a 2-column rotator, which is more advanced. You define down here a number of banners, which has an image and a link. And then on the main node here, you add, there's 2 sections here. The 1 column is you pick out from the banner items down here. You select which one of them you want to be shown on that column, and the frequency. So this is a way to show more advanced banners on a 2-column. Finally, you also have a flash, which is just a normal flash SWYF, which will be displayed on a row by itself. Okay, so this is the layout sections. You have the possibility to do this both on the front page and on other sections like this. The only thing you need to do is to add inside Sitecore on the place you want to display it. I'm just going to show you real quick. You just add the product boxes rendering, and then everything is displayed as you want it to be. Finally, I want to show you how you can add your own custom steps. This is done through by adding an XSL template. This is an example of an XSL template. It's really simple. You just have to add this mode, which is triggered every time we want to show a layout section. Then this template is called. Then you have to add which kind of a template your customized column layout section is made out of. So you can add your own custom column or whatever you call it, and this just has to match the template. And then you're free to add whatever logic you want to be displayed on that layout section. So it's really simple to build your own systems. Okay, this was just a fast demo of how you set up the layout sections. I hope it helped you. Please feel free to go to www.sitecoreecommerce.com to see more videos. Thanks.